Okay, so let's keep going. Into the insert, we learned a couple of the menus and a couple of the options. Right now, let's talk about the image and drawing, and then functions, link, checkbox, comment, and note. But the one that really will take us in a long term, will take us most of our time into this course, is these functions and stuff. So we will do create tables, we'll create projects, all of that. So first, let's learn image. Well, it's very easy. You can pick up images from your computer or online. So you can say insert image in cell or over cells. So it's two-way to insert an image to your Google Sheet, sorry. And then you're gonna say insert image in cell. So then it says, how do you want to upload it? Or do you want to use your camera or URL, photos, Google Drive, or even Google Image? So I'm going to say Google Image Search. I'm going to type, for example, baby. And hit enter, so it finds dozens of baby that I can see myself there. So let's pick up a nicer one. Maybe this one is nice, but we don't know really. Let me type cute baby. Okay, it does bring many babies, so we don't want any babies that are not cute. Okay, so I'm gonna select this one and hit insert. Now this, what it does is, this option is, it's inserting that image into this cell. So that's why it's very little. Okay, and you can see that. And even changing font doesn't work, so you have to just make it even bigger from here. Okay, so other options doesn't work. But what if you wanted to bring in a larger image, not in cells but over cells? Well, we have to go to the image and insert image over cells. So we're gonna say that. This time I'm gonna type flowers. Let's pick up this nice one. And then we're gonna have it right there, so you can see it's very large from this, and this one is really small. So based on your project, so you can say, well, I need some bigger and larger image. And if you need some small image, so you can bring into cells, and it's also covering lots of, not a space, it needs little space, but this one needs a lot of big space. Into the drawing, we can basically draw anything using the tool we have, and then we can have it quickly from there. For example, you want to just draw something nice using the lines in here. So you can say this is lines. Sorry. Oh, it doesn't work at all. So you can say this one, and then you can pick out like this stuff. You can design anything you wanted, and then you can just put it there. Okay, let's design this one. Do you see I designed it very well? Or let me draw a heart. So I'm gonna say draw a heart. It's not basically a heart, but it was close to the one. Let me draw a stone, sort of like that. And once you do that, you can change the color as well in here, anything you want it to. So you can change their color, you can change their line, you can change the way they are, line dash or line weight or line start or line finish, line end. So that was it. So you can use your creativity to create anything you wanted. Maybe this one is nice to you. Okay, I don't know, but you can select by your own and select anything. Or you can draw some shapes that you wanted. Okay, any shape is available for you. And then you have text box. You can write something. You can also bring an image to this. And you have undo, redo, zoom options as the same as Google Sheet. And another cool stuff is you can download these things and you have it. Like you can download this as a SVG or PNG or any format you want it. Also, you can see version history. So we have the editing option like duplicate, cut, copy, paste, aligning. What aligning is doing is you, for example, you draw some star. Let's draw some heart. Okay, I'm gonna hold shift key. So once you hold shift key, it makes it really nice. And then I'm gonna change it really white. And I'm gonna change the size. You can see that's very nice right now. I'm gonna copy paste it again. Okay. So basically there are two heart. I'm gonna change their color so we could see that. So there you go. Basically there's two heart going on. Uh, right now I'm gonna select both of them using control, okay? Right now they both are selected. And go to the action. You, of course, duplicate, make it many, okay? It just copies and pastes automatically. But what align does is you can align it from to the left or center or right. So let's do it from the right. Yeah, you can see that. I'm gonna go back. Let's go to the left. You can see that right now. Or you can align it to the center. Wow. So it does what you want to do. Or you can align vertically, top, middle, bottom. Oh, when you say bottom, it does work. You can also distribute them as well. You can rotate these things. You can also show a roller, or you can see some guidance to draw. Okay, for now there's no guidance, but right now there is guidance. And you can add many guidance, and you can edit them. You can clear them. We have also snip to and guides, sort of like that. Yeah, and we have also grouping. We have many cool stuff in here to do what we wanted, but it's really needs time and to practice on. So snip 2 should be grid or guide. So I'm gonna say grid because it's very easy to move. But if you say, for example, guide, so it would be different. So you can see right now. Okay. All right, so that is it for now. You can see right now the changes, and I hope you like it. I'm gonna select one of them. Okay, why it's not, I'm gonna put it to the ungroup it really, and that's what it does. Okay, so that's the part of drawing. Once you did that, you can hit and save, and you can see I brought a cute heart shape there. That's very nice. Okay, and maybe you just want it. Okay, you can make it really large, or you can make it really small. So it's like 3D model right now. You can go back again in here. You have the drawing, so we talked about it. About the functions, it's really we're gonna talk about it into the next lectures, into separate sections. I will talk about every one of this, and then you'll understand it. Link, it'll just put a link, a hyperlink to anything you want it. For example, I want to put a hyperlink to this image. Go to the insert link. For example, let's say google.com. Okay, for example, you're gonna put a text on it as well if you want to. But right now you can see that whenever people comes in here, they can see the link as well. You can remove that from here very easily. Okay, did I do on this or that? I think I did it in here, so I can put it here, remove link. I can edit that as well using the sky. I can also remove it. Checkbox, we will have a checkbox like this. We will learn a lot about it in the future. So you can see it's false, true. We have comment, and we have finally notes. So you can say, for example, you can put a notes on this. This image is really Nice. Period. And right now you have a comment in here. Okay. So that was it for the insert. Let's talk about the functions next lecture.